Okay, imagine this. What if I told you that Python can create super secure password for you in just a few seconds? Sounds cool, right? Well, that's exactly what we are building today. So strong passwords are important everywhere, from your emails to your bank account, even your Netflix. But creating one manually can be tricky. That's where Python comes in. So today we will write a small program that generates strong random password and you can use it anytime. So let's directly jump into our VS Code and write our first line of codes. Okay, so let's import our first two libraries here, which is random and string. So I am writing import random and import string. So random will help us to pick random characters and string already has built-in sets like letters, numbers and symbols. Now what we are going to do is we build a function. So we learned in our previous videos that how can we create a function. So first of all we have to write the keyword which is def and the function name. So here I am going to write generate underscore password, and for that function I am taking a parameter which is length. So what are we going to do here is when a user create his or her password, then they have to give the length of the password to the function. So it defines that how much characters are there in your password. So basically the length derived here for it. Now what we are going to do is in that function we have to first initialize some variables. So inside string we have three super useful constants. So let's derive these. So we have letters. So letters equals to string dot ascii underscore letters. It gives us capital A to Z plus small a to Z. So in the letters we have the letters basically. Now the second one is digits. So digits equals to string dot digits and it contains the digit from 0 to 9. Now the next one is symbols and it contains all the necessary symbols which is used by our password. Now so symbols equals to string dot punctuations and it holds all the symbols in the letters or the keyboard we can say. So ASCII underscore letter gave us uppercase and lower cases, digit gives numbers and punctuation adds special characters. We will combine all three to create a big pool of characters. So here all underscore characters equals to letters plus digits plus symbols. Now what we are going to do is we will use a loop with random.choice to pick a character again and again until we reach the desired length. So what we are going to do here, I am declaring a variable here which is password. So password equals to single quotes dot join, and in the join I am calling random dot choice, and in the choice I am writing all underscore characters which we initialized earlier. So for underscore in range, length, return password. Now next let's ask the user how long should your password be and add a small validation for better security. So print welcome to the Power Pro password generator. In the try I am writing length equals to int input enter desired password length. If length is less than 4, print password length should be at least 4 for security. Else generated equals to generate underscore password which is our function and inside it the length, and then I am going to print your secure password is generated except value error, print please enter a valid number. Now comes the fun part. Let's run the program. I will enter a password length of 12 and boom, Python instantly generates a strong password with letters, numbers and symbols, and each time you run it you will get a completely different password. And that's it. You have just built your own password generator app in Python. Try customizing, maybe add an option for user to exclude symbols or generate multiple passwords at once. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the rest of our Python beginner series here on Power Pro Academy. I am Satyam and we will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, happy coding.